Hi friends, in this tutorial I will guide you how you can fix kernel security check failure error. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and resolve the issue. Kernel security check failure error you will be able to resolve by two methods. First, you are able to log in into your computer like just now I have logged in. And secondly, if you are unable to enter into your Windows. So first of all, we'll proceed with the first method in which we will be able to enter into my computer screen. So the very first method in this technique is to check for the Windows update. Windows update solve a lot of major problems. You need to open your setting menu. In the setting menu, click on update and security. In the update and security, click on Windows update. In Windows update, like it is showing over here, my status is downloading the updates. At your end you will find click here to check for updates. So you need to click here to check for the updates of your Windows. And trust me guys, this really helps a lot. Now in this method, we'll go ahead and proceed to step number 2. Again, open your settings menu. In the settings menu, over here find a setting. You need to type here memory. Here you will find the option with name diagnose your computer memory problems. Click on it to open it. Now it is showing you two options, restart now and check for the errors, and second option is check for problems the next time I start my computer. You need to choose the option first. Restart your computer right now and check for the memory errors, because these errors, these kernel error are caused due to your RAM. So it will rectify those RAM errors and resolve your kernel issue. I'll choose the option second because it will take a lot of time. This one is the step number 2. Now in the third step, you need to press the Windows key to open the run command and type here CMD. Once the CMD windows open, click on run as administrator. Now in the CMD window, you need to type sfc/scannow. After that, you need to hit the enter button. This command will check for the errors occurred in your hard drive and will fix it automatically. If I'll click on right now, it may or may not work. It's because the C drive is currently I am using. That's why whenever PC restart, it will scan automatically. Let's see. I hit the enter button. Now it has started the scan. It will take a lot of time for the scan to complete. So for your convenience, to save time, I'll go ahead and minimize this scan and proceed with the next step. So these are the 3 steps you need to follow in order to fix kernel security check failure error if you are able to log it into your Windows. Now we'll go ahead and proceed with the step number 2, in which you are unable to log in into your Windows. For that, you need to have a Windows 10 USB or CD, and please insert that USB or CD into your computer and give boot to it, to the USB. I'll close it. Now let's go ahead and I'll restart my PC, and even for your convenience, I'll go ahead and I have inserted my Windows 10 USB into my computer. Now I will restart it and I will show you how you can fix this error if you are unable to load it into your computer. Now I have given boot from the USB drive. You too need to do the same thing to give the boot from the USB drive. Now it will open to your computer repair or computer system by giving boot from your USB. Click on the next button, and instead of clicking install now, click on repair your computer. In repair your computer, choose option troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, you will find various options: system restore, startup repair, and system recovery image. First of all, you go ahead and you need to choose system repair. System restore, this one is the first step. So kindly choose system restore if you able to do system restore, and after that you will be able to log it into your computer. Then follow the processes of the first step or first method to completely eliminate kernel security check fail area. If you are unable to restore from here, now second option comes to you is to startup repair. Choose startup repair to repair your Windows 10. If I click on Windows 10 over here, it will start startup repair and it will take around 30 to 40 minutes. This one is the second step you need to choose. I'll directly proceed to the step number 3 by clicking on the command prompt, because step number 1 and step number 2 of second method will consume a lot of time. So in order to save time, I'll proceed with the third step, which is by clicking on command prompt. Here command prompt is open. Here we are going to enable legacy advanced boot menu to fix your kernel security check failure error. You need to type here BCEDIT space / set space default again space boot menu policy legacy. For your convenience, I'll provide this command in the description below so that you can easily copy from there, or you can note it down to enter over here. After that, hit the enter button. Now it is saying the operation completed successfully. Now close this window because we have built the legacy mode. Now over here, choose turn off your PC. After turning off your PC, kindly restart it and let's see if this step you are able to fix your computer or not. I have told you both the ways, if you are able to log it into your computer and if you are unable to log in into your computer, on how you can fix this kernel security check failure error. By performing these steps, if you are still unable to figure out the problem or your problem is not yet resolved, kindly comment below and I'll dare to support you at every step. I'll provide you another way on how you can fix this kernel security check failure error. If you like my tutorial, if you like my video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech videos and share with your friends also. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.